Right now we're tearing down this 2-story building. Used to be a lighting gallery. It's precast concrete with block walls, taking it down to the slab. They're gonna make a parking lot here until they decide what they want to do with the property. We're able to get this building down a little quicker than we could with the regular excavator and bucket like we used to use. These processors allow us to cut the columns a little quicker and safer and more controlled demolition. We have 2 cat excavators, a 340 and a 330. They're cutting the concrete as we tear it down, tripping the columns, letting the building fall with the processor heads, and then clean up the trash as they scrape it off the floor. With the bucket, we could tear it down and we would be kind of banging around on it and pieces would be flying a little less controlled, but when we cut it with an excavator with the shear, we can make it fall kind of more the way we want it to fall. Safer. It gets the job done. I mean, we cut right through the concrete like it's butter, basically. A rebar goes away, concrete goes away. There's nothing that really stops us from processing with this machine. You can rotate these things any way you want, cut just about any way you want. There's not really any access you can't get to. If you use a bucket traditional wise, you got width issues and you got different angles, but this way you can pretty much adapt and slice through that concrete any direction you want. The straight boom is nice because it allows us to get up maybe to the 2nd floor where the pin height is, where we don't have to worry about the cylinder banging on any other part, scratching the cylinder, so we can be a little less gentle we have to be with our attachments.